welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Again, thank you so much for returning, and if you are new, I would love it if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love for you to join our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, we do have quite a few active giveaways going on. They will be linked down below, so definitely check them out if you have not already. And as you can see from the title down below, today we are doing the October 2019 Lipstick Junkie Box. So before I get into this, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this subscription. So it says, be bold, be daring, wear lipstick. And this is an $18 a month subscription. I will put a link down below. Also, they do usually have a coupon going on for either get your first box for either $5 or $8. So if that coupon is still available, I will make sure to put that down below as well, because that is an amazing deal. So they say, we know how hard it is to find the right lipstick. Finding a fun color or a great brand is even harder. This is where we come in. Lipstick Junkie provides you with a curated box full of lip products that will allow you to step out of your comfort zone in the comfort of your own home. So they ship the first week of every month. You order by the 5th to guarantee shipping for that month. It does ship worldwide, and obviously, as with any subscription, it's going to renew automatically until you cancel, and you can cancel at any time. So the box, I think, is super cute for October. But let's get in here and see what lipsticks we got. Like I said, I will put a link down below, and if they do have that promo right now for either getting your first box for $5 or $8, I'll make sure to include that. So it says, boo. Hello October, happy Halloween everyone. We've got a spooktacular array of colors in this month's box that will be perfect for one of our favorite times of year. If you're afraid of the dark, this box may be a little scary for you, but we urge you to give it a chance and you'll be surprised at what you can pull off. All right, so this is what I see. There are usually 3 products in there. So let's just get started. So we have got, this first one here is Folly Fire Matte Manipulation Lipstick in Mosh Pit Gal. It says creamy matte lipstick. As per our Lipstick Junkie tradition, October means us featuring a black shade that's always perfect for those Halloween parties. Backed by popular demand, Folly Fire Mosh Pit Gal is a jet black shade infused with argan oil so your lips stay hydrated while being darker than any matte you've ever seen. This one is bold, but it's worth it. $15. Wow, okay. And this is vegan, cruelty-free. So we have a black lipstick. And it said jet black, so this is the outer packaging. And they were not lying. That is like, it's exactly the same color as the tube. This definitely would probably be something, if I wore it, only that I would wear around Halloween. So, I mean, it's definitely appropriate to be in the October box. So, I have to give them credit there. All right, and then we have from Sormay, Smooch Proof Lip Stains. This one is in the shade Vamp. This is $17. With a name like Vamp, you know it's going to be a great color for our Spooktober box. With a spectacular matte finish that lasts all day while hydrating, this beautiful deep shade is a perfect complement for any outfit as the cooler fall months start to roll in. Sormay Treatment Cosmetics Beverly Hills. Ooh. So there's the packaging, and then if that's, it did say lip stain, didn't it? Okay, but that's just, it threw me off for a second because I haven't seen anything like that. That is different. And that's something to me that's kind of hard to swatch. to swatch. Smooch Proof Lip Stain, long lasting, high definition. That is so different. I'm really excited to try this. All right. And then the final one we have here is from Luna by Luna. Titania. To balance out the darker and bolder shades we're using this month, we decided to go with a more neutral and lighter tone. However, don't be fooled by its innocent look. This lip gloss delivers a high shine with a long-lasting finish that will provide the perfect look of fuller lips. And this is $18. Oh, it says don't be fooled. Oh, but that is so gorgeous. Y'all, that is beautiful. That is like such a gorgeous shade. I think I'm gonna put some on. Over my red. Kind of just gave like a really pretty sheen, and it feels really nice. I like that a lot. I really, really like that. So we have the Luna by Luna lip gloss in this gorgeous shade, and you kind of see it wet, kind of just a really nice sheen. This lip stain from Sourmet, and I am excited to try this because that looks like a really pretty color. And then the creamy matte lip from Folly Fire in Mosh Pit Gal, but it literally is that jet black. So you could always put this over it. I may do that for Halloween. So, like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out, and as well as that promo code if it is still active. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you on the next one. Bye.